detected. Symptoms? Often none. But fatigue, jaundice, and abdominal pain can signal its presence. Sounds scary? It is. But there's hope. New treatments boast over 90% success rates. Early detection is key, so get tested. Remember, it's primarily spread through blood-to-blood contact. Ensure sterile equipment for piercings, tattoos, and medical procedures. Hepatitis C isn't a life sentence. With awareness, testing, and treatment, we can overcome. Stand strong against hepatitis C.